Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Flexispot E6 standing desk, a premium dual motor sit-stand desk that boasts stability, affordability, and long-term reliability. If you're looking for a desk that delivers on performance without breaking the bank, stick around. We're covering everything from assembly to real-world usage and whether this desk is worth it for you. Before we get started, Flexispot sent this desk out to me to review. This is a sponsored review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts on the product. First off, let's talk about assembly. The E6 arrives in separate packages for the frame and the desktop. The instructions are clear and I had it up and running in about 20 minutes. If you've ever put together IKEA furniture, this will be a breeze. There are pre-drilled holes at the bottom of the desktop, so it's hard to mess up. Alright, so I'm basically done at this point. The only thing I need to do is cable management, which they were kind enough to include. It's awesome. The installation was pretty easy and straightforward. They even labeled the screws that you need in order. So, during the first step, it's like A and then B, C, C, and etc. So that's very thoughtful. And we also have wheels, which I don't think I'm going to install. But it has these things so you can also adjust the height a little bit, or at least get it leveled. Otherwise, this is very well made. It's super heavy. I can tell it's very heavy duty. I'm gonna finish up the cables and we'll see. One of the biggest concerns with standing desk is stability, especially at higher heights. The Flexispot E6 shines in this department. Thanks to its reinforced steel frame and 3-stage lifting system, this desk stays rock solid even when fully extended at 50 inches. I don't know, I'm probably not even in the frame. Are my feet in the frame? Cool! If you have kids or pets, you'll love the anti-collision feature. This prevents accidental damage by detecting obstacles and stopping movement immediately. It can handle up to 355 pounds, which means you can safely place multiple monitors, speakers, and other heavy equipment without any wobbling. This is a big win compared to many competitors that struggle with weight distribution at maximum height. The dual motor system ensures that lifting and lowering the desk is buttery smooth and quiet, producing less than 50 decibels of noise. With its 24.4 inches to 50 inches height range, this desk is great for users of all heights, from kids to tall adults. One of the standout features of the E6 is the rubber wood desktop option. Unlike typical MDF or particle board tops, rubber wood is highly durable, eco-friendly, and resistant to warping over time. It has a smooth, premium finish that feels great to the touch and adds a classy aesthetic to any workspace. Plus, it's strong enough to support heavy setups without bending or sagging. But if rubber wood isn't your style, Flexispot offers a wide range of desktop options including bamboo, walnut, black, white, and even custom finishes, so you can match it to your workspace aesthetic. The E6 comes with a programmable controller, allowing you to save up to 4 height presets. If you frequently switch between sitting and standing, this feature is a huge time saver. Simply tap a button and the desk adjusts automatically to your preferred height. Another bonus is the optional set of wheels, making it easy to move the desk if needed. This is a great addition for people who like to rearrange their workspace or need flexibility in different rooms. Here's where the E6 really stands out. Compared to similar high-end dual motor desks, it offers a better price to performance ratio. While some premium brands charge $800 to $1,000, the E6 delivers high-end quality at a more reasonable price. On top of that, Flexispot backs this up with a crazy 15-year warranty on the frame and motors, plus 2 years on electronics, giving you the peace of mind for the long haul. I have only one complaint about the E6, and that is the control board. Compared to the high-quality frame and desktop, this control board feels oddly out of place due to its plastic construction and clicky buttons. I wish it was a bit more premium feeling, although I do like that it doesn't collect fingerprints. So, is the Flexispot E6 standing desk worth it? If you want a stable, high-quality desk with strong motors, excellent weight capacity, and a solid warranty, all without overpaying, this is a fantastic choice. If you're interested in grabbing one, Flexispot has a spring sale going on from now till March 31st. Check out the Amazon link in the description, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.